The band's tight and it's open mic and refreshingly spontaneous. Compound building a rep as a satisfying and safe space for live music. Compound with a growing following every week, reggae and old school dancehall fans piling into the brick-walled space to hear the house band. And to see who gets called up for the open mic portion of the evening. A fun, freestyling ride, seemingly open to all.
People know say, this is real, people can't spot a fake and them know say, what them youth here do, them love it, them youth here love what them do. All of them musicians used to come out here and play them instrument, them love it. All right, so them one day play them keyboard, or play them guitar, them bass, or them drum.
Something organic and spontaneous about the gathering. Music lovers making the most of the short window before everything has to wrap. It's a mixed crowd and good vibes.
Can you play some more? Can you play some more?
This thing is musician based, so what happens is the musicians, they plan a set, they pick a beat, and them say, all right, this is the one we're just gonna vibe. And when them play the rhythm there, them not change it. So you as an artist now, if you're here and you're an artist, you have a song where you can fit on it. You just fit it on it. If you have to make up a song on the spot, you make up a song on the spot, and you just show your talent, because we have people who come and freestyle and right off at the top of them head, them just freestyle and mash up the place, because it's a loving crowd. The crowd is a music lovers crowd. Nobody nah disrespect nobody nah say nothing out of the way, so you get to show you and express yourself.
You play for me, I hear a sound.
Many bemoaning the shrinking opportunities to take in a jam session, check out new talent, or see a familiar face in a casual setting. Compound providing just that platform. The modest backyard space somehow striking the right note.
By us playing this music right now, you're going to find us, you're going to trickle off on other people. Work for live music, I'm going to start play about the place, so you got a whole heap of youth. Other musicians that get work, people are going to see other musicians about the place. Artists who have a band are going to start interested in a band again. And everybody going to have them band and music going nice. And we're going to have our concert culture, build back people, whole vibes again. People come out to live show. So it's a good thing, man.
No knowing who'll show, known or not. Thing is, no one's up for long.
It's a regular Tuesday for me, you know what I mean? This is what we do every Tuesday night. It's just good, authentic live music. Them youth are the future of reggae music. The musicians, them are the best in the business right now here. And you see the talent, all the people just come and them just come all a vibe with the musician. Them.
Instrumentalists also getting a shine after laying down a groove for the night's vocalists.
I think it's a different vibe. It's a vibe that you have to come here for experience, you have to come here for feel it. It's Tuesday service. It's different from what the next person doing, and I hope the next person do their part in furthering the movement of live and the culture, A lot of people saying we're not on par with our predecessors, we're not on par with when dancehall was at its height, when reggae was at its height. So the only way to correct that is to make sure we have a vibrant, well-motivated set of young musicians ready to take it on, stand up and raise up them game and make sure the world knows, yo, we ain't nothing to play with, man. Nobody not coming for watch the face and pay attention. They come for listen to music, so the right crowd. So just come out and have a good time. Yes, so we're there at the compound every Tuesday night, Tuesday service. That's it.
That's Tuesday service live at Compound.